Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 3-inch lift kit for the 2023 Ford F250. Now this kit's gonna raise your F250 while leveling it off front to back. It's gonna let you run up to a 35-inch tall tire, and it's gonna give you great looks and higher ground clearance to get you further off-road. Now we offer this kit two ways. For the budget-minded, we offer it as a spacer kit. You're gonna retain your factory coil and add our lower coil seat spacer. But if you wanna upgrade, we offer it as a complete coil replacement kit. These are gonna offer you better articulation off-road, and they are rated specifically for the higher center of gravity that you achieve with our lift. Next up, we've got our radius arm drop brackets. These are gonna take your factory radius arms and relocate them so that you've got proper geometry and we maintain proper caster. And your caster angle is key for comfortable drivability. Next up, we've got our track bar relocation bracket. This is gonna make sure that our front axle stays centered when we lift and our factory geometry stays exactly where we want it. Our rear lift is achieved by our tapered lift block. They are tapered to ensure that our pinion angle is correct and we reduce any possible driveline vibrations. And the blocks are partnered with extended length U-bolts as well as all necessary hardware. And wrapping it all up is going to be a shock for each corner. The base kit comes with the N3, but you can upgrade to the M1 monotube or the Big Daddy, the V2 monotube. Installation is a breeze with no cutting or drilling required. So if you're getting serious about the elevation of your F250, check out our 3-inch lift kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.